Good morning, students. We have completed our PS salt solution. These all things we have completed. Now today we will start about the salts. First is a common salt. Common salt, you know, that is a sodium chloride chemical formula, and it is said to be a NaCl. Okay, its NaOH is react with the HCl. It form NaCl and H2O. This is a common salt. These things you have to write it in a copy, and how the NaCl is formed. Okay. How common salt is formed? The common salt is formed by the two ways, one from the sea water and second by the process of the evaporation. Now I am giving you one activity to you, like you have given a mixture of water and salt solution, that you have make a salt solution and you have given a heating process. Slowly what will happen, the water is going dry and it is going in a vapor form. And at the end, when you put the gas slow, what will happen, the remaining downside in a vessel, little bit quantity of salt is left. In this way we can remove the salt from the water. Okay, so that's why they are saying is they are separated from the evaporation, and second common salt from coming as underground deposit. Underground deposit, you understood that, you know, from the rock salt, from the coal, these things. And these are the uses of the common salt. Common salt as a raw material, industries, in these all things it is used in cooking food. In a flavor form also it is used. Common salt is used. Okay. Next, common salt is used in a preservative in pickles. That's why it cannot be a pickles. We can put it in many years also because of the common salt. Common salt is used in manufacturing of soap. Common salt is used to melt of ice also. And when ice cream, we are eating ice creams. In ice creams also we are using the salt. This is a common salt. We can say as a NaCl. NaCl reaction is there. Common salt, how it is formed, that also you have to write in copy, and uses of it. Now next is sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide, commonly called as caustic soda, that is NaOH. Production is formed when the NaCl is react with water in the form of electrolysis is from sodium hydroxide, chlorine and hydrogen. Again I am telling, sodium chloride is react with water in the form of electricity. It forms sodium hydroxide, chlorine and hydrogen. This is the sodium hydroxide. After sodium hydroxide, some uses of sodium hydroxide. It is used in soaps and detergents. It is used in textile fibers, in paper, making of paper. It is used in aluminium or bauxite ore. It is used in greasing, oil refining and making dyes. Use of chlorine, these things you can see how they are using. Okay. Chlorine is also used in the bleaching powder, hydrochloric acid, plastics. Hydrogen is used in hydrochloric acid. It is used in methanol. It is used in ammonia. Hydrochloric acid is used in iron sheets. Here you can say hydrochloric acid is used in chlorides, in dry cells also, in medicines, cosmetics, textile, dyes, plastics, polyvinyl chloride. These things we are using as a hydrochloric acid. Okay. Again I am telling, these things you have to write it in your copy. You can see this is a common salt. Okay. These things you have to write in your copy. Fine. These questions you no need to write. What the questions I have given to you, that questions you have to write in your copy. Thank you and have a nice day.